There's no doubt the Disney parks offer families and friends a great way to relax and have fun. Most of the Disney parks offer something even more, an opportunity to learn something new. For curious minds like me, this only enhances the Disney experience. Animal Kingdom offers some well-known experiences to learn something new. There are also some hidden gems that are not as busy. Close to the exit of Kilimanjaro Safaris, you're going to find one of these places. It's called the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. There's no additional charge other than the park passes to get into this area. And I've never been back here when it's extremely busy, so fast passes are definitely not needed. There are many things along this trail you can see. There's fish and some very interesting birds. If you look hard enough, you might also see a hippopotamus in that water. You might also see some other animals along the path. But the highlight of this trail are the Western Lowland Gorillas. The gorillas are fascinating to watch. These lowland gorillas mostly eat plants. They love a low-fat, high-fiber, high-protein diet, and Disney provides the perfect mix of plants for them. There are two areas that you can see these lowland gorillas. Right when you enter the gorilla area, there's a glassed area that allows you to get very close to the gorillas. Many times they're right against the glass and you can get great views of these gorillas there. If you don't want glass in between you, keep heading down the path. There's open area with plenty of gorillas to find. Sometimes they're hiding a little bit, but you're sure to catch a glimpse of some of the gorillas in this area. Overall, this is a very nice area to just take a break from the park, learn something new, and see one of the best gorilla areas I've ever seen. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It would really mean the world to us.